Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just can't stop on this font. I was doing it completely wrong and hard, and all you have to do is pick the ones you want and find out what the letter represents. So that's a V and a B, lowercase. So let's just start this. I still got my text tool messed up. So I'm going to type in a V, B, 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 as many as I want, lowercase n. Go up to our new font, and look at that, it's already put together. Now you're going to have to, you could probably vertically text or vertically do some of these, but this would be very easy to, it's all one group. So let's Control D and make a duplicate and rotate it 90 degrees. And, well, that isn't going to work because you're going to need to Control K and break that part out. And then we'll have to go back to converting this to a curve so it'll snap to the new one. But you could build this a lot faster than I was doing earlier. I'm going to zoom in here. Grab that node right there and have it snap. You know what, we're probably going to have to convert this to a curve too. Now let's see if it won't just snap right to it. I mean, look at that. How simple, how quick, how easy. Well, I actually messed up. I'd broken them all apart. So let's select all these, Control G. Let's zoom in here. But if you did that at the first, and because they're a curve, then you need to get right on that outer node to get that sharp point. And then you just have to do that again. But the top, you could actually type out those same letters. And because we turn them in curves, it doesn't really do us any good now. But if you don't know what the symbol is, what letter that represents, just go and change it to Arial or something else. Lowercase n, lowercase k, and that way you can figure it out. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.